Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to set up stop loss and take profit on Tradovate step by step. First, go to the Tradovate website. If you don't already have an account, sign up using your email or Google account. Enter your details like your name, email, agree to the terms, and create your account. Once you're done, log in to your dashboard. Now, launch your trading chart inside Tradovate. This is where all your trades will be managed. Next, look for the ATM, Advanced Trade Management section. Click the small gear icon next to it to open settings. Then click on the plus icon to create a new strategy. You can name it something like SL-TP strategy so it's easy to recognize later. Now it's time to set your parameters. For take profit, enter how much profit you want to secure, for example, 30 ticks. Then for stop loss, enter your risk limit, for example, 15 ticks. This helps protect your account from big losses while locking in profits automatically. Once everything is set, click Save to apply your strategy. Now, whenever you place a trade using this ATM strategy, your stop loss and take profit will be applied automatically, no need to manually manage every trade. And that's it. This simple setup can really improve your risk management and make your trading more disciplined.